Since the 19th century, the Russian River has been a favorite recreational destination for the Bay Area. Fishermen, canoers, and families from all walks of life have enjoyed this unique resource. San Franciscans flocked here to escape the foggy Bay Area summers. It has been part of many Bay Area childhoods. Wildlife flourished. The river was renowned as one of the world's finest steelhead rivers, and it was one of the great rivers and watersheds serving Northern California. Then, things got ugly. In the 20th century, the river was exploited for commercial purposes as a gravel source for Bay Area construction and development. Footings for the Golden Gate Bridge were constructed with Russian River gravel, as were many iconic San Francisco buildings, streets, and sidewalks, and even BART's Transbay Tunnel. This commercial exploitation was great for cities, but devastating for our river and watershed. The mining might still be going on today had not the Russian Riverkeeper stepped in to put this practice to an end. In 2008, after 20 years of contentious legal battles, the Russian Riverkeeper prevailed, ending destructive mining on the Russian River. But we are left with its scars, including over 725 acres of gravel pits on 1,200 acres of land. Gravel mining, combined with agricultural and urban encroachment, has narrowed the river channel by 75%, creating serious consequences. The river overflows during the rainy seasons, flooding properties, homes, and roads. In the dry seasons, the reduced flows in dry streams prevent steelhead from making their upstream migration. Fish populations estimated at over 500,000 in the 1950s are practically non-existent today. Toxic algae, lethal to dogs and other creatures, now bloom in summer. A free-flowing river and floodplain would not suffer these injustices. We're now working with the same mining companies we once fought to reclaim gravel pits and restore the lost wetlands, a critical first step in regenerating the health of the river. The Russian Riverkeeper has been fighting major destructive forces like mining for decades, but we also fight smaller battles every day. We organize volunteers to help rid the river of plastics, tires, beer cans, and the other junk that humans leave behind. We work with the homeless living in camps on the river, collecting tons of trash before it reaches the river and ocean. We have ongoing popular programs to educate and inspire children. We need them to become the future river keepers. Every decade, it seems, we face new challenges. At present, it's the cleanup from the fires of 2017. The buildings and cars that were destroyed leave us with serious pollutants and contaminants. These toxic runoffs will likely peak in 3 years, but they will be with us for the next 15. The Riverkeeper has been the regional leader in helping to solve this crisis, working with landowners and other stakeholders to stabilize the soil and reduce pollution runoff. We are, in fact, the one and only group dedicated to restoring the river and floodplain. The Russian River is a regional and national treasure, but a treasure that is threatened by today's modern world. Your support is critical to our success. Please help us and join the fight.